here doing concrete today. I'm gonna do a 16 by 12, so 16 and then 12 out, and then we're gonna do a 3-foot walkway connecting to it, right? And then we're gonna connect the pergola to the wall up here and build out from there. Just making sure it's square. Alright, setting the frame 4 inches up. Got the braces right here. He's screwing them in. We're grading this out. He's killing the grass. I'm gonna go rebar about 5 inches in every 18 inches. Okay? And then the rest are gonna mesh. Framing it up, make sure it's all level, framing it up. 90 degrees. We're also capping the sprinklers. Got the frame set up, cutting the mesh to match. Right. Then like I said, every 18 inches we're gonna put the dowels in. And I think we're gonna put 3 on the sidewalk right here, and that'll help us tie down all this mesh. Right, the form is ready. We got the mesh down. Put the rebar. Mesh down.
We used it all. We just have
rebar.
Like, it's not even a 2x4. It's like the one we used. We flexed it.
And the frame.
Well, yeah.
Right. Ready for the concrete.
Right here.
Right now we're laying the concrete. Right. Pulling it. As we go, we pull this up to the center. Right. Keeping it underneath our line right here. Edging it. Right, mopping it. Leveling. Finishing up this last little bit right here. Right. We're just edging it up over here, so he's kind of packing it in, leveling it off, then he's gonna edge it, and then he's gonna clean up this little line right here afterwards. One foot inside.
That wall over the splash.
Straight line.